Hello and welcome to the channel. Like most of you guys, I also wanted to upgrade my DJI Spark to the Mavic Air 2. So when my Mavic Air 2 got here, I did a quick unboxing video. Have a look. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today is a very exciting day for me, and I think a great day for the channel. We got a new addition to the drone family. So like most people already, I'm very happy to say my package came in finally, all the way from Shenzhen, I believe it's called, in China. And it's the Mavic Air 2, if you're wondering. And before getting this, my main drone was this DJI Spark. So let's go ahead here, open this up real quick, put the wide angle lens. Oops, hope I don't damage anything inside. It's amazing how fast this traveled. It left China on the 10th, I believe, transited through Hong Kong, got to Tennessee late last night, where FedEx has its main distribution hub, and from Tennessee got here to Fargo, North Dakota, early this morning, I think at about 5 a.m. And by 10 a.m. it was already on the truck at my local distribution center to be handed out. So I have to remark, first of all, the package is quite tight, so it doesn't leave much room for the DJI box to move around and get damaged. The package, everything looks great. They did a good job with that. You can already see from the quality of the box, it's pure DJI quality. Very good quality. In there you have my SanDisk, which I ordered with the drone, 128 gigabytes. I believe they say that might be the limit that the Mavic Air 2 can have. Very pleased. It works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro 10. Sweet. All right, let's turn it around. Down here I have my serial number, which I won't put on camera. There you can see the camera up front. I believe it's a 12 megapixel camera. I'll just go ahead and open up the package real quick. That way I see what the contents are. I just got the regular Mavic Air 2. This is not the Fly More combo. See somewhere here where I can get the knife in easily. Somewhere there. I'm not very good with the cutting. And we do that. So this is just a video I'm doing directly as I got the Mavic Air 2. So it's not gonna be as elaborate as some of the guys you might see on other channels here on YouTube. I just want to basically see what it looks like compared sitting next to the Spark. So take off that plastic. Sorry about that, I'm doing this with one hand. So there you go, that's what it looks like. Push that out of the way. And then next, let's see. So it probably has to lay down like that. It's got ADSB AirSense, ADSB in, not out. ADSB in. That allows you to detect aircraft around you. Wow. That is so beautiful. This is amazing. You have this protective cover for the case, for the gimbal. It holds everything in place. You have the fixed aperture camera f2.8. You have also the two front motion sensors. You know the Mavic Air 2, it has motion sensors up front, in the rear, and also underneath. And that's the LED light, which you can turn on and off with your remote when you're coming to land. This is just a beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. Flight times are advertised at about 34 minutes, and already you can see the difference in the motor. See how you can actually see through. So that allows air to go through and cool down the motors. Let's compare it with the DJI Spark. It has almost the same setup, but you can see the motors here are much smaller. That's the Spark on the left. So it has folding arms, unlike the Spark. So the footprint when you're traveling is quite small, as you can see. This is just amazing. The build quality is really, really good. I've never had any need to open up my Spark, but you can see what you need for the Mavic Air 2. Simply beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well executed, even though I haven't flown it yet. And then of course it has a AirSense ADS-B. The big thing for this drone right now is that it has the active track 3.0, and then it has a newer way of it can go up to 10 kilometers without losing communication. That's OcuSync 2.0. And here is the controller. Wow. It's so much more better than this one for the Spark. The quality of the plastics, I mean, just holding it in your hand, it feels premium. It feels totally premium. It is just amazing. See if it has any power to it, any juice. Where do we turn it on? Right here. Those are the joysticks. You just pull them out, stick them in here, and turn them around to get them to work. And then back here you have a vent. And let's see if we can pull that up. That's where the antenna should be. Am I doing something wrong? Nope. There you go. So those are the antennas. They do double duty. And in there you have a cable, one of the on-the-go cables. I believe it comes with on-the-go cables for Android and also for the iPhone. Let's continue. You have a silica gel in here to keep everything dry, absorb any moisture in case the drone is stored. And in here you have an accessories box. So I believe in there you have the charger and everything else. Let's unbox it. Yep, you have some spare joysticks here on my left, some cables for charging. So that's what all I found in the box. First flight is gonna be very soon. How soon, I'm not sure, but I'm totally pleased with the new drone. So you have to remove the gimbal protector before your first flight. Nice. Can't wait to go for my first flight. This was kind of an improvised unboxing. I made a mess, but thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys on the next video.